Hi guys, welcome back to another day. Today is Tuesday and I just got to campus. We are having a, what you call this thing? I don't even know what to call it, but we're gifting, not really gifting, but we're giving in Bali some cute things before bathome quality exams. So yeah, manje sayolungisa izinto. It's ama-snacks nje with chocolates and a cute message from us to them, wishing them a good luck. And yeah. Ngizophumelela, ngizophumelela, ngiseyintombi, ngizophumelela, ngizophumelela. Khuthalani nikhumbule ukuthi nizinkanyezi ezikhanya phakathi kobumnyama. Vula amakhasa, uvale umhlaba, impumelelo iseduze, intombi ayivele zipho. Guys, it's the day before exam, and I'm Tsugile because I'm writing tomorrow, which is Thursday. I'm also writing on Friday. Crazy business, and then on Friday, footing your mobile and lunch, they're gonna whip my ass, the char. And the only thing that's stressing me about tomorrow's paper is that, okay, this module now, a module that's divided into two components, literature and linguistics, and tomorrow I'm writing literature. I'd like to believe that I'm good with literature, the one I'm writing tomorrow. And the reason why I say this is because my semester test I think some marks and ilo into la mama cool lengi balaxas. And when I say high school, paper 2 I used to paper 2, like I'm so good in paper 2, and it's more like paper 2 because I'm a poems and novels. So yes, I just hope it's Ali continue and that because I'm gonna panic. I think it pressure on to get in house good the partly. But the thing is, no with distinction, you need to pass both. So I'm so stressed. But see again, hopefully you can pass it. Give me one break, I need faith. Better believe you, better receive you. Give me something I'm lacking. It's what time is it? What time is it? Where's my phone now? Okay, the time right now is, I don't know, it's looking like going back to your rest 5:45, and okay, I'm 60% ready for tomorrow's paper. I need to be a distinction ready for the paper because many pass and people like I seriously need to pass this paper because you're not supposed to my exam. So yeah, I'm 60% ready. I need to actually be more like 80% ready. So yeah, we're gonna push, we're gonna try our best. Like my bed is a mess, my bed, like it's a whole mess. Even the floor, like everything is a mess. Like I think you guys can tell my favorite color, but yeah, so I need to try a book for real. Oh, I'm watching a vlog. I love Amelie, by the way, but yeah, let me try books. Guys, it's the day of the exam and but yeah.
My AI just changed.
You find the out. You are a fake friend. Hey guys, okay, let me tell you something. Okay, hello guys. Like guys, let me tell you something. I thought I have a friend here. I thought this one Mabiela is my friend. Yeah, very. But I thought what you did was wrong because Manje
It can never be undone.
Yes, because now I'll have to come back next year for this.
Guys, I just came back from writing my paper now. I don't know how to feel. The paper wasn't hard and it wasn't easy. Yeah, the paper wasn't hard, but it wasn't easy. And I'm going back to race now. Period.
I believe everything we had was young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss. Love is so blind, it feels right. What kind of spell do you have me under? What in the hell starting to wonder?
Guys, like it's literally 2 days before my 4th exam. I still have like 3 papers, mind you. Saying I still have like 3 papers. And my thing is, I can't study. I don't know what's happening, but I like genuine chats. I can't study. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's wrong with me. Maybe there's something wrong with me today. But yo, I don't know what to do with myself. I've been trying to study. I've only covered like 1 study unit. Like I'm still left with 4 and Guningi. And I only have today and tomorrow. Choose to go but then there is no time. Yo.
1 eternity later.
We're celebrating 100 subscribers.
I even forgot I have 100 subscribers. Yes, I'm gonna just like oh, cheers to 100 subbies. Period. This was the best day of my life. Now win, guys, for subscribing. Period. Everybody scream. What? Guys, we just hit 100 subscribers. We just hit 100 subscribers on my guys. I am in disbelief. I'm trying to not cry by all means, but then I want to scream so bad, but then it's like so good and he assessment quick, you know, I want to make noise. Guys, I think don't do some refresh. Don't do that. Oh my goodness, guys, we have 100 subscribers. Everybody scream. Oh my heart is pounding. My heart is beating fast. Oh my god. What is that? Guys, no words can explain how happy I am right now, and it's all thanks to you guys, because it wouldn't be possible if you guys hadn't been subscribing to my channel. Guys, I'm so proud of myself. What? Like, I'm screaming, but then I can't scream out loud because what? Guys, I'm crying. Yes, I am crying like real tears, but then Like, I don't care if I'm missing it because I actually can't believe we did this. Oh, yo. Muzefa on the big screen, Ibilengiti volume because what?
Starts out with a pipe dream, white tea and an ice cream. All day on the MySpace, MJ trying to buy face. Had to pay dues, had to make moves on fake. Even though the dreams and fantasies they come together, I'll be shining like a diamond. It's forever. I congratulate you.